So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create an ACS cover, an audiobook from an existing book cover. So firstly, we are going to create a new artboard, a new page from new. Then the size for an audiobook is 8 by 8 inches, 8 by 8. Then we are going to create it, and this is the page. So now this is our existing book cover, and this is the stock image that was used in the design process. So we are going to move the design here. We are going to scale it accordingly. We are going to scale it. We scale it properly. Then you're going to make a copy by pressing Ctrl J. Ctrl J. Now confirm this. Ctrl J. Now it has duplicated the layer. Then we are going to move it up a little. After moving it up a little, that's it. Then we are going to blend the top image with the one underneath it. We have the layer mask, the brush tools, the gradient tools. Yeah, we hold shift and we blend. So the blending seems not to be going perfectly, so we are going to stretch this image a little bit more. Okay, and that's it. So I might try to centralize this image a little bit. Okay, and now here we can blend here together with the background that is underneath it by clicking on the brush tools. We'll grow up a little, then you blend it. Perfectly done. Then we are going to pick all the text here, everything here. We are going to move it to the new page. Then we are going to readjust it to fit in the page. So we centralize this. We increase the size a little bit. Then we centralize this too, and this, and this. Add the subtitle over here. You can increase it a little bit. Then the author name at the center, you can increase it a little bit also. Bring it down a little. Then we centralize it. You can scale up the title a little bit more, and there you have it. We've created our ACS cover from an existing book cover design. We are going to take a snapshot and we are going to export it. Okay. Then we're going to make a JPEG version. Okay. Now we can let's look for our design. And this is the ACX design, which is also known as the audiobook cover. Now we are going to create a 3D mockup for it. I'm looking for the mockup source file preset. Okay, we have yes, now we can use this. I will change the background color to lobby ash. Okay. Now we've already made a snapshot of the design, so we are just going to cut it out and move it to the template page. Then I'm going to adjust it, and we are going to set it. Control S to save it. Now it has loaded up here. Then we are going to do this too. We bring the same snapshot here. Reduce the size. We are going to scale it improperly, and we are going to save it by pressing Ctrl S to save. Now this is our ACX is ready, and this is the mockup. So we are going to save this to as JPEG. So this is the design. This is the ACX cover, and this was the initial book cover that was designed. This is the front cover, and this is the 3D.